The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. Jesus said, "Woe to you, scribes and Pharisees, you hypocrites! You are like whitewashed tombs, which appear beautiful on the outside, but inside are full of dead men's bones and every kind of filth. Even so, on the outside you appear righteous, but inside you are filled with hypocrisy and evil doing. Woe to you, scribes and Pharisees, you hypocrites! You build the tombs of the prophets and adorn the memorials of the righteous. And you say, if we had lived in the days of our ancestors, we would not have joined them in shedding the prophets' blood. Thus, you bear witness against yourselves that you are the children of those who murdered the prophets. Now fill up what your ancestors measured out." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Woe to you, scribes and Pharisees, you hypocrites! Brothers and sisters, mayong buntag, good morning. Alam ko na yung mga taga-CDO ay nagdiriwang ngayon ng kanilang pista kay ang kanilang patron sa Diocese of Cagayan ay si Saint Augustine. So, happy fiesta sa mga taga-Cagayan de Oro. Our Gospel today is the contrast or kabaligtaran ng isineselebrate nating santo karon, no? Saint Augustine is the opposite of the scribes and Pharisees. Why? Because, as we know, hypocrisy is all about lies, pagsisinungaling, no? While Saint Augustine, no, in all his life, he searches the truth. And when he found the truth, he shared them, and it becomes the guiding light of his life. Kining katotohanan, no, naging gabay ni San Agustin sa kanyang buhay, no? And that's why he is now in heaven together with his mother, Saint Monica, one of the greatest doctors and fathers of the church, no? And this should be for us a challenge. Who we will choose? Saint Augustine, or we will choose the scribes and Pharisees?